In this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner for the month of November with fall leaves and fall colored stickers. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Every once in a while, I like to put a poll in the community tab, and this time you all voted for a fall leaves and fall colors spread. Okay, I opened up all of my fall, and see, not all, but several. So I have this fall sticker book, this fall sticker book, the giant all in a season, and it has some good fall stickers. I kind of like this one to start off. Since we're doing a fall leaves theme, this one has like a sidebar sticker with fall leaves on it. So maybe we'll just start off with that. I'm gonna put this here. I wanna cover up that notes though. I'm gonna go all the way up to November. I only have one fall kind of washi tape, but that will work. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all the way across the top. Okay, the two fall sticker books have a bunch of good decorative leaves. So I want to decorate this bottom section and this little top square with the fall leaves in them. So I'm just gonna grab a few, whichever ones I like, and then I'm gonna cut so that they fit in this space. All right, from the orange fall sticker book, I'm gonna grab some of these leaves. I like the page with the foil, obviously, because I just always do. And what I'm going to do to make it easier is first I'm going to cut a straight line on the sticker, the leaves, and then place it along the edge. I find that it's easier that way than trying to draw a straight line with the X-Acto knife. But you can do it however you want. I just find that to be a little easier. All right, let's grab a green. Where do we want to put that one? I want to leave space for a big leaf there. So let's trim this one to go on this side. And then from the yellow fall sticker book, I like these copper foil and green foil leaves. Those are really cool. So let's grab a couple of those. Ooh, so pretty. Let's put the whole thing of that one. Maybe a large green one too. Look at this, if it'll fit. Let's add a small green and a small copper. Let's put in some orange. See where this will fit. It's kind of big, so we might have to trim it like that. See if that'll work. Oops. Let's grab this yellow one, put a little yellow in there. Maybe it can go in this corner or here. I guess it'll fit there easier. Maybe the corner is better. Then we have to trim it to fit that. All right, we're gonna try it. So we need like this. See if that'll fit there. That works. Wonder if any more of this yellow will fit over here. Yeah, so we need to trim it like there. Oops. That did not turn out straight. Let's try again. Well, how about we'll have to use our X-Acto to trim the edge. Leave a comment and tell me what you are thankful for this Thanksgiving season. All right, we're going to take a couple of those extra pieces that we had and place them on this square. So we have some yellow, some orange. That one's not quite straight. Let me try to trim that so it's straight. And then it might fit in this corner. Cool. We'll grab a green leaf and a copper leaf. Aren't those pretty? They're so pretty. Might have to trim this one or move that green one over a little bit. All right, I just grabbed the green. I'm gonna move it over like here. Then maybe our whole copper leaf will fit too. Maybe this way. Yeah, perfect. Have another little piece of green I might be able to fit somewhere. How about an acorn? Let's see if an acorn will fit. I think it will if we trim it. The Hooray Seasons sticker book has some pretty fall color birthday and celebrate stickers, and I do have a birthday, family birthday in November. So I want to grab one of these fall color birthday stickers to put there. So I'm going to grab that to go here. Actually, there are two. I have a friend whose birthday is also in November. So I'm going to put both of theirs. Next, I'm going to look for the monthly size box stickers. So Happy Year has some of those. Here's some in the orange fall book. And here's some in the yellow fall sticker book. So I'm going to pick maybe about 6 of those to go in the places where I have appointments in the month. So I like to use my monthly overview page to kind of plan ahead. So any kind of appointments or events coming up, I like to put here first. And then as I plan out each week, I refer back to the monthly page to kind of get my big plans to put in the week. First, I want to start off with this Thanksgiving sticker from the giant, what is the sticker book? All in a Season, because I like it. It's so cute. It has little gold foil and leaves on it. Let's put that on Thanksgiving. I guess kind of in the middle. It's not really meant to fit here. I just like it. I want to use it there. So there's space for another leaf over here. We should get one more. I'm going to go ahead and grab this Hanukkah sticker too, because Hanukkah starts in November. Let's put that here. And I usually cover up where the little like typed in dates and put in the cute holidays instead. So I'm gonna grab this really pretty like rose gold copper washi. I'm gonna cover up where that says daylight savings time ends, and then we're gonna grab one of the cute word stickers for the holiday, and we'll put that there. And I'll probably do that on, do we have a Veterans Day sticker? Let's see. Yes, we do. So let me cover up Veterans Day too. Let's see if I can get that straight right there. All right, this daylight savings time ends is green, so that'll match with our spread. I'm gonna put that here. The Veterans Day is blue, but I still like it, so I'm gonna put that there. All right, I want these because they're so cute, and I love the ones that have the little notch for your date. And I have 2 appointments this day, so I'm gonna put this here and then write them on the box. All right, I grabbed one more sticker book. If you grab any of the teacher or student sticker books, they usually have some that say winter break, spring break, fall break, etc., summer break. So I wanted to grab a fall break sticker from teacher sticker book, and fall break is this whole week. So I'm gonna put it like maybe like here. Then what I usually like to do is just grab a few of the box stickers for and put a couple on each page and put them just wherever I want to put them because I like them. I want to put a yellow on this page, maybe here on the second. I like this one that says sweater weather. Let's put that down here. It does not have that corner cut out. Maybe we could just cut it. You know, I never thought of that. Where's my scissors? We could just cut it to, there are some that have the corner trimmed like that. See, these already have the corner trimmed. So I could just trim it to match like that. All right, let's see if I can do it. And if it'll look right. We're gonna try it. Looks fine. I like this autumn vibes. And this Thanksgiving one, let's put it over here. All right, I think I'm gonna add one more. I like this green cozy vibes. Let's put that one here. I wanna add a few more leaves down here in this corner. So let me grab a couple more leaves to place there. Copper. Let's grab a green. All right, we'll trim those. I really like this little sweater weather sticker. I think I'm gonna put it across the top up here and then look for another one to go up on that side. Oh yeah, that's adorable. All right, I'm going to see if we can fit the word Thanksgiving across the top in this foil, these foil alphabet stickers. It looks like it's gonna fit, so we're just gonna start way over here. Yay, it worked and it looks really good. All right, let's pop these into the planner and check it out. I want to add a couple more stickers because in the Hooray Seasons it has these ones that are on the side and they're really cute. They have that pretty foil. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these to place just randomly. As always, descriptions of the products used in this video will be in the description box. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next one. Bye.